Hi there again, it's PowerCycleTrading.com. Wanted to go over what we call a long-term cycle reversal trade setup. So this is a SPY, the S&P 500, the SPY ETF. And so the other day I did a video on this trade and the short trade setup that we took. So basically, when we get up here to this really big extension of the 3 ATR on a weekly long term, and we get a reversal signal here, the purple kind of arrow here, so we're getting a reversal signal based on this reversal indicator. Now, when we get that and we're up above the 2 ATR, close to that 3 ATR, this has been a pretty good defining signal for a potential kind of bigger move to the downside. So, maybe a big move these days is maybe 5%, maybe 10%. So the last time we had one close was right here. This was back in May of 2021, and we had a pretty good pullback. And then prior to that, you had to go back to February and then back to last year. So we did this trade and it looks pretty good. I'll show you where it went out today. So basically we set it up here on the 7th, and you can see the cycle reversal there on the daily, and had a pullback yesterday and fall through here today. But we did another one here today on QQQ. Let me show you. So today we had the same signal, but even more stretched. So you can see the QQQ right here got up and hit through the 3 ATR. On the weekly long term, we got the reversal signal here today. So it's an alert to potential change in cycle. So that the last time we had anything close, this wasn't even as close. This was actually, it was back here February of this year, 2021. So you can see how it got above 2 ATR and into 3 ATR. We had the crossover, and this turned out to be a pretty decent pullback. I think this was about 10%. And then prior to that, the last time, the other time was back here in September of 2020. So here's the trade setup, what it looks like on the daily. Now, we're not looking for a huge pullback, but it could turn into one. But we're just looking for a move right here to this 376. So this is a kind of a price action support. You can see coming in here this high and then this gap fill area, and that's also, we're sitting here today, went out right there on the 8 exponential moving average. So this is not a very big pullback, but it could turn into something bigger. So you could potentially get down to this 382, coming in about 374. So what we did on this trade, we set up a really kind of a trade just targeting right here to 376.75, doing a put calendar diagonal, and here's the trade setup that we did. This was an alert trade at Powercycle Trading. Hold on, I'll show you. So this alert trade was sent out today. So what we did, we went out to the 20 September, bought the 379 put, it was trading right at 379. Then we sold the 10 September. This is for expiration tomorrow. We can adjust it if we need to, 375. So $4 wide spread at 319 or $319 per spread. So into the close today, it kind of started selling off, and it went out at 360, so up about $40. Now, if we were to get our target here down to 376, let's say tomorrow on Friday, it hits down to 376, this will be up $140. If it goes to 375, this will be up 160 to potentially up to as much as up to 270. So hope this helps, and if you'd like to learn more about these types of directional trades and options and things like that, please come join us at PowerCycleTrading.com. Good luck trading.